Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is April 12th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 and also gold. I will be giving you guys some of the major levels on S&P, and Wendy will be giving you guys some of the minor levels on S&P, and then I'll be going over to gold, give you guys some levels that I'll be looking at. So with that said, let's go ahead and hop into it. For S&P 500, not too much off the Sunday movement. I do have a major level more down right around 40.99, but we stalled. For me, we stalled right around 41.04, and then we bounced back. So I do have resistance sitting at 41.19.50, and then I have a measured move right at 41.31.25. Underneath that, mark some levels, 40.93, and then below that you can see an ellipse that comes down here right around 40.74.25. So we'll see if we get into those areas, but those are going to be some of my major levels that I'm going to be looking at as we move during the open. With that, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy, give you guys some minor levels. She'll go over it with you guys, and then we'll hop into gold.
Good morning, Dave and traders in and out of our room. We have some beautiful structured movements in this bullish trend once again, but London was slow, obviously, Sunday night. But anyways, I marked some of the micro levels for us to work with. So from 4.8, we had a resistance of 4.093. David's going to mark these prices as I call them out. And then the market went above that. So I'm looking for micro peaks to use for the support as the bounce up. The first one we have is 4.09825, that area. You can see that on the 9th, it was resistance. And then on the 9th again, used it as support for the bounce all the way up. The next micro level we have, David mentioned it, is 4104. It is a resistance, a micro resistance area. The market went above it. And then look, beautifully came right down to use it as support for another move up. So where's the next micro peak we're looking for? I have 4.11550 as the next one. I noticed it was from London, and I noticed it was used as resistance. I took a short there last night, real quick one, just to get my chops wet for Sunday evening, and carried it down to where it went down to that micro peak at 4104. So we're looking at 4115.5 around there to be used for a move up, but it has to go up with a purpose, and then come back down and use it as support. You can see it's a bugger for resistance right now. Its support leg is 4114. I'm sorry, 4111. That's the support. It might hold it and continue to move up, and it might not. It might come down to 4104. We'll have to wait and see what the market gives us. So look for 4115.50. And I'll also watch its support at 4111. We'll see what the market gives us today. That's all I have. Dave, tell us about gold.
Awesome. Good job, Wendy. Awesome
Thanks.
levels that you got up there. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right. So with gold, we're going to go ahead and take a look here. Let me just put the pointer here. With gold, we do got some support. I got a first level of support right at 1736 even. I really want to see if this market's going to hold this level. We had strong resistance that came in right between these 45.4s to 42.7. Very strong resistance, 1, 2, 3 tops that we had, and then pulled price back down. But if we do hold these 1736s as support, look for this market to try to gradually pull right back up, retest this area. If we do get up into this area, we may actually break back up into the higher resistance of 47.9 right up over here, and then try to break through that area and retest the 1750.8s. So we'll see. We may even go sideways right in this movement here. However, we're under a key level holding as resistance. So we got some support underneath 1731.7, still strongly bullish. Now, if we get under 31, you will probably see the market try to drift below into these 23s, support underneath that 16.3, and then 1706.9 as supports under. However, with that said, if we can't get below those 31s, we will start to move to the upside again. So we're going to watch these two key levels. Again, these are some of the areas we took a long off of last week. We're really not too far away from the levels that we played off last week. 36 our first support, then 31.7 as another support for the continued move to the upside. So we'll watch out for that. For those who like to short, your shorts right now come in at about 45.4 and then 42.7 on the low side. So we will see if we get any of those levels to bounce for a support bounce here on gold. With that said, guys, let's go ahead and hop into it.